Hello and welcome to another update video about ICP. ICP continues to move in this trend channel to the upside. The situation overall hasn't changed, but also there isn't really any imminent strength there. So looking at the bigger picture, we can identify from the September lows a potential 5-wave move to the upside. It's not the cleanest 5-wave move, could look much better, to be honest. But I can already count a potential 5-wave move to the upside. Whenever that's the case, we have to be very mindful that the market could at any time give us a pullback. But without breaking even micro support levels, I don't really want to confirm a pullback. The trend is still up. We're moving in an ascending price channel. And instead of having 5 waves up, it is, well, we have 5 waves, but it could be that the 5th wave is extending, as you can see here, in an ABC structure. I'm not counting that as an impulse. It looks like a diagonal pattern to me. It's very messy, yeah, I mean, it doesn't look impulsive. Okay, so it looks more like a diagonal, but it doesn't matter so much. The idea is that, yeah, we might have seen there an A wave to the upside in wave 5, a B wave, and the C wave could be unfolding right now. That's the idea that I have, and in the primary scenario we should be able to get the price a little higher. The next resistance level is at $15.74. Above that level I've got $23.68. That's the main resistance level or range on the larger time frame. But then we also have, in case we really extend higher, a smaller, let's say, target area between $19.64 and $25. Now, again, minimum expectations to the upside have been fulfilled, so don't be surprised if we start to move down. However, so far, it's holding that ascending price channel. However, this assumption will be tested soon, and the market is currently pulling back to a trend line here, to the lower trend line, to the lower boundary line of the trend channel. And yeah, a break below that trend line could send the price down to $10 and what is it? $10.30. And this is really the invalidation point for the yellow count, for the, let's say, the immediate upside scenario. Below $10.30, I don't really have anything that's more directly bullish. I mean, anything is possible, but then it would rather look as if the market completed this larger move already, and that we are getting into a first deeper pullback. And the support area for the pullback is between $4.10 and $8.32. Now, again, that doesn't mean we have to max it out, right? It could mean the market might just touch 832 or 677. But so far there is not much, there aren't many signs of a pullback, okay? So therefore, as long as the trend is in play, you know, the uptrend, we focus on higher prices. Now let's take a look at the 1-hour chart. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame. Here, there isn't really much strength that's showing at the moment. But I think, well, it's possible to say that this was a wave 1 of wave C, this top that formed here on the 9th of January. Yep, the pullback could have been a wave 2, but then the question is, what is this? So it's not very clear. Could also be this wave 2 gets reset, but then ideally we want to avoid a break out of the trend channel. So here we have to remain a little bit flexible, but I think the support levels are very clear. The invalidation point is clear. The next resistance levels are clear as well. Yeah, this is sort of what I'm watching for at the moment, primarily, and the situation to yesterday hasn't really changed. So really just want to give you a quick update. But the market needs to break above this next micro resistance to get to the more substantial one around $15.80. And the next micro resistance, basically the previous high here, is basically around $14. So that's the next smaller level that needs to be taken out. That's my update about ICP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.